Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from JoyLot.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Burberry sunglasses, model B4216 in color code 30018G. The color of the frame is black. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it won't get scratched or damaged. The lenses are also gray gradient. And these glasses are a cat eye shape. On its temples, you'll find the Burberry pattern. On both sides. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Burberry logo and that it's made in Italy, as well as the serial number. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, which is B4216, the color code, which is 30018G, and the dimensions of the frame. 57 is for its lens, 16 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. These glasses also come with a Burberry gift box, a Burberry case, a brown Burberry London of England clean cloth, and a Burberry booklet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com, and have a joyful day.